Hi guys, Linnea here. Magical Mandy tagged me in a hair in my mouth video challenge today to do a body scan and tell about the place you have the most tension, the place you hold the most tension and your vulnerability there. So the place I hold the most tension is my mid-back and chest area. And my vulnerability there would be that I wore a sling for 3.5 months on my left arm, like so, and it made my left side of my chest lower than the right side of my chest, and that is my vulnerability there. It's probably not noticeable to anyone else, but it's very noticeable to me, and so I'm very insecure about it. And no one else has got a problem with it, but I do. I have a very big problem with it. So that's my insecurity. The tension that I hold causes a lot of trouble in my back, right between my shoulder blades, especially, and I get what feels like chest pains in my chest when I get really stressed or tense. It's not chest pains, it's muscle pains from being, tight and just stressed, and I hold my shoulders wrong. That's why I get that pain. The pain is because the stress causes me to hold my shoulders really tight, and so that's where my pain comes from. So doing the dishes or cooking for long periods of time cause that stress to, that pain to come out a lot, because I have a problem there now from holding so much tension. So it causes quite a bit of issues with me. Even doing magical workings, if I'm standing for long periods of time and reaching and doing, and that's why a lot of times you'll see me when I'm doing my magical workings, I'll be sitting at my desk, or like when I was doing the herbal thing and going through my cupboard, I was sitting on a stool. So standing is a lot of problem for me because I get that tension going in my back, and it's caused a lot of problems. So that would be my tension problem and my body scan problem. When I'm laying in bed at night doing my body scan, that's where I feel it the most, and where I do the most healing on myself. And I have a poppet that I work with. I'd pull it out, but I got packing stuff everywhere. But that's where I work with myself the most, and where I feel the most tension and the most vulnerability. So you were right about that. So that's my video, my response to, my VR response to Mandy, Magical Mandy. So I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. You're all divine, sacred beings of light and love, and I love each and every one of you. Take care.